Hello, welcome to the last module of this week, and the name of this module is Email Marketing Strategy and Monitoring. In one of our previous module on digital marketing process, I discussed that measurement and tracking is the important phase of digital marketing process. Similarly, in case of email marketing, measurement and tracking is essential. With the help of inbuilt feature of MailChimp, you can measure the performance of various email marketing campaigns. It will help you to take the action with respect to various campaigns to make them efficient and effective. So under this module, you will learn how to monitor email marketing campaigns, how to generate various reports using MailChimp, and lastly, how to develop an overall email marketing strategy by understanding various tips to make your email marketing more effective. So let us start the last phase of our journey to the email marketing. As I said, you can track every click in your MailChimp. So let us see, as far as tracking is concerned, what MailChimp offers. Every time when you open the MailChimp, you will find an overview of your audience and campaigns. It is showing me that as of now, I have 24 subscribers in total in my audience list. The table on the right hand side shows the growth in your audience list. It simply tells you that how many subscribers are there at the end of each day. Further, the orange color indicates how many subscribers were added on that day. For example, on 26th of August, it says that one subscriber is added to the list. You can also see the sources from where your audience is coming to the list. Maximum subscribers here are added to the list by importing the subscribers, followed by embedded and admin. Admin is nothing here, it is your own mail ID. You can also see the data of last 30 days and for the 1 year. I think in the premium version, you will get more options. Next, we have campaign engagement data. For example, how many emails were delivered, how many were opened, and how many links were clicked embedded in the mail. This is a dummy account only, so it is not showing me the much data. For more details, you can directly open the report. Let us look at more data that MailChimp is providing to us. Just go to the reports. You have 24 subscribers in the list. Let us look at the campaign data first. We ran a dummy campaign called Test Report few days back, and it was sent just to 3 subscribers from the audience list on the basis of tags. You can see that the open rate is 66%. That means 2 out of 3 subscribers opened a mail that was delivered to them. Let us view the detailed report of this campaign. Firstly, we have the overview of the entire campaign. As we don't have e-commerce campaign, so it will not show me anything in the report. But if you have an e-commerce related campaign and you should have the MailChimp connected to your website, it will show the data here. Next, we have the open rate and the average rate of that very campaign. Open rate is nothing, it is just mails opened divided by the total mails sent. Average open rate is 0 here because we have only 3 subscribers in this campaign. You can also compare your average open rate with the industry rate. For this purpose, you have to just select an industry out of various given options. Let us select education and training industry. Now it says that in industry, average open rate is 14%, and you can well compare it with your own campaigns. It has the same meaning for click rate. Next, we have more data related to our mails. How many successful deliveries were there? When was the last mail opened? How many mails were forwarded? You can also see the 24-hour activity using this graph. I am again reiterating here that this is a dummy email data. We don't have much data in this campaign. This is very interesting, as we learned that you can embed links in your mails. For example, link of your website or any other link where you want to send the subscribers once link is clicked. The question is whether your subscribers are interacting with the mail or not. In simple words, whether they are opening these links or not. You can see here top links clicked. For example, the link of my website here has been clicked by 2 subscribers followed by other links. To have the more detail, you can click on more. Now, here is the complete report of your links. You can see we have a report on total clicks and unique clicks. Now, what is the difference in both? If one subscriber click on a link twice or thrice, it will be counted as a part of total clicks. However, it will be treated as one unique click because it is from the same subscriber. So unique links give you more information as far as your click rate is concerned. You can also see the click map. I found it very interesting. It will simply show you in the mail itself where the people are clicking most. Based on the report, you can change the place of the links in the mail as well. Wherever I put the link along with that, it's showing me the percentages of click rate. Very interesting. Make use of click map to shift the place of your link depending upon their performance. Let's go back to the reports. Next, we have the subscribers with the most open rate. You can take the decision to treat your subscribers differently based on their involvement in the campaigns. Next, we have the location-wise open rate. It's very useful information. You can see how your campaign is performing in different locations. This was just an overview of your campaigns. You can have more detail about your campaigns by going to the each tab of the reports. You can see under activity, we have so many options to know how all your subscribers are interacting with your mail. These are very simple to understand and self-explanatory. For example, to whom you have to send the mail, here is the complete detail of the audience. Who has opened this mail, who didn't open it, who clicked on the mail, and so on. Next, we have the links. We have already discussed about the links in detail. This is the social tab. So here you will find the complete data related to your social post. You can also check how your subscribers are interacting with your social post which were sent to them using the MailChimp. Next, we have e-commerce. I haven't any link of e-commerce website to the MailChimp, so it will not show me any data under this tab. Similarly, data for conversion is not available as we don't have any conversion from our e-commerce sites. To have the reports and the 360-degree analytics, you have to integrate your MailChimp to the Google Analytics. We will discuss it in the module of Google Analytics. You can switch between various campaigns from here. Like, I want to see the result of my landing page campaign. So results are here. After looking at the results of your campaign, we have few more tabs under reports, like comparative. Here you can compare the performance of one campaign with another. You can also see how your automated campaigns are performing, and similarly, you can have the results of your landing page campaigns. One important point, all tracking information is not shown by default. Actually, while designing your campaigns, you have to opt for various tracking metrics. Let me show you. Let us quickly create a new marketing campaign. Here at the bottom of it, you can see we have various options to edit the tracking settings. Just click Edit. Check the appropriate option for tracking more information. Here you may need to integrate your MailChimp with the third-party platforms as well. Save the settings. So this was our discussion on various reports that you can generate using MailChimp. Although the data used here was dummy with a few subscribers, but I hope you got an idea how to monitor and generate various reports of MailChimp. Once you will have the sufficient data, then you will get more insights of MailChimp databases.